They can do it for no reason. It doesn't matter. They think they can have too much to drink. And at this point, they want to remove it. If you don't leave, you guys can walk up there. It's only 2 hours. I don't know.
Sheep shoulder that.
That's something you can talk to the ticket people tomorrow. Okay, well that's not really our fault. It doesn't matter what I think.
This is private property. They don't want you here, so you guys have to leave.
You guys are free to leave. If you stay here, you'll be. So I suggest just go. Just call it a night and you can talk to whoever you got to take about next time. Okay.
Okay.
Well, thank you. Thank you for listening. Set it up.
With the...
Kind of spook people, man. I have no idea what that was.
We'll just get it.
No idea.
Hey, what happened? I filmed the cops everywhere, so I just want to...
You filmed them?
I filmed them, yeah.
What did they do?
What happened?
Can we tell you guys what happened?
Yeah, explain.
Dude, they didn't let us
We went in, they sold us the drinks.
Yeah.
They saw that we were turning one and over, they sold us the drinks, and as soon as they saw that, like, you know, some people don't drink like others. As soon as they saw that, they kicked us out. And we had paid for the tickets.
Oh wow, there's no reason?
They kicked us out.
There's no reason?
No.
Wow, that's weird.
So we're mad.
Yeah, I bet. I'd be mad too. I was just curious what was happening.
But before, when we were in line, they were kicking everyone out just because.
Just because?
The ones that work for Fremont, the people that work for Fremont, the securities, how much do you get paid? How much do you get paid for real?
Me?
No, the Fremont securities.
Yeah,
sorry, not you. The Fremont securities, because they were kicking everyone out of line.
Okay.
For what?
If you're under 21 and you're fucking drunk.
Okay.
And they're not under 21.
Yeah. And it's just dumb because they sold us drinks and then they're kicking us out.
Yeah, that is lame. Well, damn, sorry that happened. Thanks for talking to me. I appreciate you. Have a good night.
We're not in Santa Maria.
You want to get arrested? You want to get charged with us?
Uh-oh.
You want to get held down and have to pay money? No, Rosa, let's just go. Alrighty, man, Rosa. I'm going to argue with you because I'd rather argue with you than the fucking cops because they're going to arrest us. No, stop. This is reporting us right now. Rosa, I don't literally have you fighting right now. Let's go. So you rather argue with the cops? That's even worse. Rosa, they have to do their job, Rosa. I don't want you to get arrested.
Hey, well, she can speak freely.
You will get arrested, bro. Don't around, bro. They will literally arrest you. They're not Santa Maria cops. They're slow cops. Stop. Let's go. I'm not done. I'm not done until you leave, Rosa. You already got us kicked out of this concert.
What's up, Karen, Frank?
Stop. You already lost my money, bitch. Come on, let's go.
What's up, Lawless?
So that's what happens. So Monday,
Yeah. Nah.
so this is the deal. No, so I'm not police anymore. So you guys got...
Dude, where's this going?
It's on YouTube.
Huh?
It's on YouTube.
On YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Okay, can you guys get off the property?
I'm just here to record the police.
Don't arrest you. We're in a fighting.
You guys are more than welcome to do that, but you guys have to do that on another day.
Nobody's pushing you. Please,
If you guys fail to leave the property, you guys will be subject to arrest.
Well, there's a public sidewalk right here.
Well, over there, that's private property.
Well, yeah, they're not on the property.
Well, now they're in the street.
Right.
I'm saying if they go back to the
I'm
property.
saying this is a public sidewalk.
Okay, good.
Maya, you're quick to arrest them, but when it comes to my felony vandalism, you don't do shit, right?
What's that?
Right?
What's that?
You're quick to arrest them, but when it comes to my felony vandalism, you don't do shit, right?
All right, Gabe, have a good night, man.
Yeah. Have a good one.
That girl over there is
They'll arrest people for dumb shit all day, but when it comes to me getting my shit broken, they don't do shit. Nah, man. Some dickhead broke my camera like 2 weeks ago, and these guys didn't do shit about it. So sorry, man. I was in the middle of recording. I didn't want to miss it. I didn't mean to. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, for sure. Slo County Observer on YouTube.
Yeah, I was trying to get it from YouTube, but they were saying this now that.
What is this? What's going on here?
OGZ, no OGZ.
Oh, OGZ? Yeah, okay. Got you. All right.
Okay. So we're just trying to get some fucking.
Whoa. Dang. Why would she do that to me? On live. You did that on live, lady. Hey.
That bitch wildin', bro.
Yeah, what's going on? Damn.
Oh my god.
You did that shit on live. Why would you do that? I'm over here protecting your rights and you're gonna do that shit to me again? Again? What? F you.
I don't give a
That's your dumbass man. Dumbass. Look at this idiot right here.
this idiot recording though.
Yeah. Again. You're lucky I ain't gonna. It's already on live. It's already on live.
Did we give you permission?
You don't need. I don't need your permission.
Y'all are on the sidewalk type shit, so.
Hey, let's go.
Why would you record us then?
You gave me an interview. Touch me.
Lord, how old are you? You have gray hairs. How old
Yeah,
are you?
so what?
Recording
So what?
lives.
So
Recording
what?
lives at your grown age? At your grown age, how old are you? Like 40?
No,
Like-
get the f out of here then.
Like 40?
Yup, 40.
Recording us at
I'm
40.
57.
Why are
57.
you at a short
I'll record the
age?
cops all day.
Why are
I'll
you at
record
a
the
short
cops all
age?
day. I'll record the cops all day.
Call home with your family.
I'll record the cops all day. I'll record the cops all day.
Weirdo. Go home. Have a family. Get a family.
You guys are idiots. Straight up idiots. Now I see why you guys are idiots. I see why they kicked your
You're an
dumbasses
idiot,
out
bitch.
there. I see why they kicked your dumbasses out. I see why they kicked your dumbasses out.
But you're still recording, bitch.
Yep.
But you're still
Yeah, I ain't gonna stop. You think you guys are gonna bully
Gray
me out of
hairs
here?
Recording.
Oh, f all you
You know
guys.
how old I am? I'm a minor. They saw that we were 21 and over. They sold us the drinks. Just
I don't give a
what?
shit. You're a minor.
Bitch?
You're a minor
Is
making
that what
yourself
you
look
said?
dumb. Yeah.
Is that what you said?
what I
Yeah, I'm
fucking
a
said.
minor. How old are you? 32, 34, 45, 56? How old are
Idiot.
you? With gray hair?
Straight up idiot.
Wow, dude, bro. Hey, that's content for real. Though.
Hey, they have.
Why are you recording?
I don't give a fuck.
Bro, hey,
Whatever.
Hey, y'all are helping the homie make money though. For
Yup.
real. Y'all are really in it to winning.
He needs to go home with his family. That's what he needs to do. With your family, gray hair. How old are you? How old are you? Recording girls? Recording females? Recording females? That's what you are? You're recording females? You're recording females? How old are you with gray hairs? How old are
I
you?
was recording the
50?
cops.
50? You're
I was recording the
Where
cops.
are the cops? Where are the cops? There's no
They
cops.
left already.
You
Touch my
weirdo.
shit again. I'll make sure you're arrested. All right.
Make sure I'm arrested.
Yeah,
Make sure I'm
dumbass.
arrested. I'll make sure you're arrested.
I appreciate you, man. Thank you.
That building has
Hey,
Idiot. Shut up. Shut up. Just continue on.
you're a little dick ass motherfucker.
All right. Yeah.
That's
Whatever.
That's why you're here
Whatever.
instead of with the family.
Whatever.
Because you don't have a big dick.
All right,
You have
yeah.
a small dick.
You're making yourself look real good right now.
I'm making myself look really
Yeah,
good. When
yeah,
you have gray hairs and
yeah,
you're recording females, you have gray hairs. Go home with your family.
Oh, so what? Gray hair. Big deal. Jesus Christ.
Get a life.
Idiot.
Get a life.
Take your own advice. Look in the mirror.
I will, 'cause I'm
Look in the
50.
mirror.
How old are you?
Look
How
in the
old are
mirror.
you?
Look in the
How old
mirror.
are you with gray hairs? Don't follow me. Are you
Following you. Get the f out of here.
out, then, bitch? Get the f out, bitch. Get the f out.
Public sidewalk.
You're about to catch a case. You're about to catch a case. Get the out and don't follow us. Get the out. You're putting your life so we don't see you. Get the out.
Can you stop?
Get the out. Don't be recording me.
All right. Hey, call the cops again.
You want this is
Call the
violation.
cops again.
Why are you
Call the
recording me?
cops. You're literally recording females right now. Like a
It's not
rapist.
illegal.
You're
It's not illegal.
Get the
No,
fuck
it's
out.
illegal.
However, hitting that shit.
It's
Hey,
illegal
don't
if we
fucking
don't want
touch
to be
me.
recorded. It's
Hey,
illegal
don't
if we
fucking
don't want
touch
to be
me.
recorded.
Weirdo, get out.
It's literally illegal. Have you
Why are you
seen
recording
YouTubers'
us?
videos?
Weirdo.
They literally blur out people.
Weirdo.
Wild ass.
Get out. Get out.
Going anywhere. I ain't going anywhere.
Literally illegal to be recorded.
He put his flash on so we won't focus his dumbass face. Look at his gray hair.
So what?
Look at his, I'm a
I got
fucking
gray ass
minor.
hair. Big deal.
I'm a minor and he's over here.
Acting like a child. You're acting like a straight up child.
And
Yup.
why are you entertaining a child? Why are you recording?
Because
a
you're
child?
not gonna bully me
Why
off
are
the
you recording
sidewalk.
a child?
You're
Why
not
are
gonna
you
bully me
recording
off
a
the
child?
sidewalk.
Why are you
Because
recording
you're
a
acting
child?
up. You're acting like
Why
a
are you
f***ing
recording
idiot
a
right
child?
now, so I'm
Why
gonna
are
record
you
it.
recording a
I'm gonna
child?
record it. I'm gonna document
Do you
it.
think you're something good right now? Because you don't. You're recording a f***ing child. You're recording a child. You're
Shit,
recording
you
a
ain't scaring
child.
nobody.
You're
Get out of here.
Get the fuck out. No, don't.
Adding to it.
He's recording a child. He's nasty.
Adding to
He's
it.
a pedophile. He's
Adding
that's what
to
he
it.
is. Over here.
Don't touch my shit.
Then get the f out and stop recording.
Go on.
Then get out.
You, I ain't going
Follow
anywhere.
us. I
I ain't going
have
anywhere.
the video of you following
I ain't going
us.
anywhere. You
Get
wanna
the
leave?
f out, you f***ing
You wanna
weirdo.
leave? Leave.
With gray hairs? Get a
You wanna leave?
Get alive.
You wanna leave?
How
Leave.
old are you? How old are you?
Fool,
Let me see
you
your
leave,
fucking
bro.
ID.
Just leave. What are you
Get
doing
out.
here?
What are you
Just
doing?
leave, bro.
Nah, I ain't
What are
gonna
you
leave,
doing
man.
here, bro?
I ain't gonna leave.
Like, leave,
Nope.
bro.
What
What are you
is he
doing here?
fucking
What's
doing?
the purpose for you?
What is he
What's the
doing?
purpose
If you guys
for
wanna
you?
leave,
doing here,
leave.
bitch?
I'm staying here though.
Yeah,
I ain't gonna
yeah.
get bullied off.
Bitch.
If you want
Why
this
the
shit to
fuck are you
continue,
filming
leave.
this? I'm
If you
gonna
want this
call
shit
on
to
you,
continue,
bitch.
then leave.
I'm a fucking minor
They're
and I'm
drunk,
gonna
bro.
call on
They're
you,
drunk,
bitch.
bro.
All right, well,
Get the f
I ain't gonna be
Get
bullied off the
out,
sidewalk.
bitch.
Control it.
Get the f
Backing up over here, all right?
Get out.
I'm over here.
Leave, bro.
I'm over here.
Get out.
Go outside.
All right?
Get out. Get to stepping, bro. Get to stepping, bro.
Get out. Get out. No, he's a creep. Get out. Stop recording us, you weirdo. Stop recording us. Whoever the f knows this weirdo, look at his face. Nasty ass. Stop following us. Get the f out.
I ain't following you.
Then why are you here
We're still
recording us?
in the same spot that the
Bitch,
cops were.
You were right there and you followed us and I have that shit on video.
Because I'm over here.
Get
Because
out.
I'm parked over
Get
here.
the f out, you
I'm parked over here.
nasty ass. How old are you? 52?
Yup.
Get the f out, you nasty ass. You don't have a life. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Easy.
I want to. Got something else?
Damn.
Count me out, buddy.
Drop that shit.
Count me
Drop
out.
that shit. Drop that shit.
Hey, I dropped it.
Get the f out.
Fucking staying here. You're the one coming up.
Get out, bitch. Why are you still recording this, you weirdo?
I'm gonna stay here until you guys leave.
Oh my
Let me
goodness.
get a lawsuit because I
My goodness. Yo. Yo. Oh, god damn, boy. He walking off with that. He,
Damn, dude.
bro, that's
said she
crazy,
was a minor.
bro. That's crazy. That's crazy, bro.
What happened?
And you got a selfie right
Yeah, you guys see that? Yeah, it's all good. I'm fine. I know.
now. That's fucking assault.
Yeah, no, I know. If you guys have that footage, I'd love to get it too.
Yeah, let me go get my info from the manager.
Okay, thank you.